Tonight, Bexar County leaders are again asking the governor to send more nurses to San Antonio hospitals. Mayor Ron Nirenberg and Bexar County Judge Nelson Wolff wrote an urgent letter to Greg Abbott this morning. They say San Antonio needs more help even after 400 extra nurses arrived in Bexar County last week. As Eyewitness News reporter Matt Houston explains, local hospitals are bracing for a spike in COVID-19 patients over the next few weeks.
In what's become a weekly event, local leaders are again imploring the government for help fighting COVID-19. This time, Mayor Ron Nirenberg and County Judge Nelson Wolff say San Antonio hospitals will reach capacity.
Things are busy and a little bit rough up here right now.
Rocio Garcia stepped away from University Health's emergency department to describe the situation over the phone today.
We seem to be feeling it more as far as our own staff getting sick and being out.
She says that wasn't as much of an issue during previous waves. Extra staff then could help fill in the gaps, allowing each nurse to spend more time with their patients.
If a nurse has 4 patients to one nurse, when we get that additional support, that nurse can now have 3 patients to one nurse, which is always better.
More help needs to come soon. COVID-19 forecasters at UT predict the Lone Star State will reach its peak Omicron case count sometime in the next 2 weeks. Both the best and worst case models indicate Texas could break its hospitalization record in early February. There are more than 10,000 Texans in the hospital with COVID-19 tonight for the first time since late September. If there is good news in those models, it's that it does not appear Texas will break its record for deaths. That supports what we know to be the case, at least up until this point, about Omicron versus Delta. It's more contagious, but it does not produce nearly as severe of the outcome that Delta did. I'm Matt Houston, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Matt. Now to the latest in the fight against COVID-19 in Bexar County. Tonight, Metro Health reports more than 4,000 new cases. Health officials also reporting 3 more deaths tonight. As far as hospitalizations, 815 COVID patients are being treated in local hospitals, which is up 136 people since Friday. Take a look at this graph. You can see the steep rise on the right side of your screen. Hospitalizations at their highest level since late September.